Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Larissa Al and I am the owner of Parker Kate. On this channel I do lifestyle, fashion, and beauty, and today's video is going to be about this look right here and the products that I used to create it. So if you'd like to see how I did that, please stay tuned. Okay Google, set timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes, starting now.
So I've already applied my base, and all the products that I used to apply it will be listed down in the description box below, as always. Today's makeup look is going to be a very bronzy, kind of glowy, ready for summer look. And for that, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Beach Eyeshadow Palette. And we're going to be using the golds, the bronzes, and the mattes in this palette. So it's going to be super easy. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an intermediate or an expert. You'll be able to recreate this look. We're going to jump right into the eyes, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush. This is the Bizanti Eyeshadow Contour Brush number 4. And I'm going to be taking it and dipping it into this matte brown shade, which is called Daybreak. Just be careful with this palette because it does have a lot of fallout. So just taking the matte brown color called Daybreak, I'm going to be applying it into the eye socket and just a little bit above my natural eye socket because I have small eyes and I want to make them look bigger by kind of making them look a little bit more deep set in, and I always achieve this by just going a little bit above my natural eye socket. So always start off in the corner and then slowly blend your way in. Okay. And then just like any eyeshadow, you want to build up the intensity gradually because it'll be easier to blend. Sometimes if you put too much product on a spot, it becomes harder to blend out. Then going in with a bigger fluffy brush. This is a clean one. This is the MAC 286. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. I'm just going to be using circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with the color 16th Street, and I'm going to be applying this with my finger onto the actual mobile eyelid. This is a really nice kind of bronzy gold. Start dabbing that in the center of your eye and then kind of blending it out to the sides. Okay, and then once that is on there, I'm going to just blend out the edges with the clean fluffy brush from before, the MAC 286. And then go in on the other side. Then to pick up the intensity, I'm going to be going in with Wedge right here. And I'm just going to be applying this color with a clean index finger again, just to the outer corner of the eye. And then a little bit, yeah, just to the outer corner of the eye. You can use a fluffy brush for this. Apparently I like to use my fingers today. So just bring it into the outer corner of the eye. I recommend using a brush, not your finger for this, but apparently I just got really happy using my hands today. The fallout is real. Let's just swipe that away. And once more, taking the MAC 286 blending brush, I'm just going to be blending that out. Switching brushes to a little more denser. Okay, and then I'm going to go back into the 16th Avenue and just kind of reapply it because I lost some pigmentation. And I'm just going to be applying that again back into the inner corner of the eye to about mid-lid. Once that's finished, I'm going to go in using my Sephora dark brown pencil in the color Cocoa. This one is waterproof. You can use eyeliner, you can use liquid, whatever you guys would like, but I'm just focusing on making it bronzy today. So I'm going to smudge this out so it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry if you make a mistake. You want to make sure your pencils are sharpened. Going back in with the Morphe M408 brush, which is a smudger brush, I'm going to be mixing the color Wedge and 16th Avenue together and just applying that underneath to the lower lash line. So quickly I just went in and finished the lower lash line, and then I grabbed my favorite bronzer, which is the one right here, the clip cutout. Their ambient light bronze, and a really big fluffy brush, and this one is from It Cosmetics. So swirl it around there, knock off the excess, and I'm just going to be doing it in the typical 3. So apply it to the forehead, down into the cheekbone, and then down under the jaw, and then under the neck. This is the M51 highlighting brush. So I'm going to go and highlight my face now. So typically, so like normal, top of the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, lip, a little bit above the eyebrows, then I'm going to be taking a clean pencil brush and dipping it back into the Maybelline highlighter and just putting this into the corner of my eyes to kind of tie the look together and brighten that area up. And then just taking a teeny weeny bit and just applying it to the center of the lashes, just to kind of make it pop. The center of the eyelid, not the center of the lashes. Okay, now if anything looks a little bit too bright for you, you can always go in with the blending brush and just kind of sweep over all your highlighted areas just to kind of blend them in and tone it down just a little bit. So next we just have to apply our lipstick and our setting spray, and we're just about done. So for lip liner today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal lip liner in 108 Best, which is a little bit of a hot pink, and 100 Degrees by Urban Decay, and this is kind of an orangey red. Now to kind of balance out my cheeks with my lips, but make sure they're not competing because this is a very bright lip, I'm going to be going in for Tone by MAC, and I'm going to be using a dual-ended It Cosmetics brush, and then just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Alright, now the makeup look is done, and we're just going to go in and set everything so it stays all day, and for that I'm going to be using Matte Fix Plus Spray. In my mouth. Not a surprise. Now we're just going to kind of fan that in. Alright guys, and that is the finished kind of bronzy summer look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video and would like to see more, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. As usual, all the products that I've used today will be listed in the description box below, as well as all their social media handles. And you can also visit my blog at www.parkerkate.ca, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!